do a quick video of putting the fences together, and then how to measure the pieces in the middle, and then quickly on how to cut the piece on the end. Put these down real quick. That's all the pieces. So this is the piece that goes over here. You can see I took a Sawzall and cut the connector off so it'll butt up flush against the wall. And then if you've got any cake built up kind of unlevel, I would level it out. Put your piece up against the wall. And then got a small piece. Let's see, and we got a medium-sized piece. We usually number them, but we've done it so many times that you pretty much know. But you can color code them, so like white on the end, and then red, red, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, blue, to make use as little tape as possible because the numbers won't stay. I think we got one more pieces. No. Get this piece in the middle. So then when you get to the last two pieces, when you're building it, put one piece in, and then you got one piece left. Take two empty pieces, put one over here, and then one over here, and then measure from the back side of this one to the back side of that one, and then subtract an inch, and it should fit perfectly. If you try to do it beforehand, it won't fit. It's going to be 4, 5, 6 inches too long because you gain inches as you go across. So that's the easiest way to do it, and learn that from experience. Thanks.